Afternoon everyone. Not sure if you can hear me with the tractor going, but I thought I'd just show you a quick clip. We've just about finished the little grass collector project. So just an odd little bit of painting on the handles alike, but everything's back together. That's in its open position, obviously, emptying. So I'll just do a quick walk around to show you what's going on. And I think we might go and try it. So, fingers crossed. But all the rollers are back on. Bearings seem okay now, and the little studs I threaded into the end seem to work okay. And that's its tip position. I'll just drop the hopper down now. Scoot around. Seems to function. All down. There we are. Okay. We're pleased with that. So looks quite tidy. Now for the big test. So I'll leave it at that and be back if we get some pictures of it working. So okay, thanks for watching. Bye.